How to zoom in VLC media player. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in VLC media player. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open the video that you wish to zoom in, and then you're going to navigate to this tool section here at the top left. Here, you're going to click on effects and filters, and once you do so, you're going to click on video effects over here, and then you're going to select geometry over here. And here you'll be able to see an option of interactive zoom. So simply check this box and then, click on save or minimize it. So I'm going to click on save over here. And once you do so, click on close. And here you'll be able to see a little rectangular shape appear over here that contains the video. So you can simply, drag this over here, like I'm going to click on this specific part, and whichever part that you click on, you'll be able to zoom that part. For example, I want to zoom in this part, so you're going to click on this, and here you can see that you have successfully zoomed in that specific part, and whichever part you want, you can also, play the video and then zoom again. So that was basically how you can zoom in VLC media player. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.